Welcome back to my beautiful YouTube channel. It's JT, and we're gonna be talking about the crazy experience I had at Apple and give you some tea inside of Apple. So, yeah. So, you know, before I got the iPhone 8 Plus product red edition, so sexy still, and it's still my baby, we have to go back into the insider details of what really happened. And it was wild. I'm saying that Apple is crazy, but Wells Fargo is the one to blame. So let's get started, mate. So I got my paycheck on that Thursday morning, and I called mom. I was like, Mom, we're going to the mall after school today. So yeah. And she never asked for what. So hey, it was a thing. And then she texted me for what, and I was like, we're gonna go to Apple today, so don't be confused. So literally Thursday night comes, and she was like, all right, mate, let's do it. So we go to the Apple store, and as I'm walking into the Apple store, there was this couple that I know that was walking out, and man, there's some tea behind it. Like, I could say hi to the girl, but I can't say hi to the guy because you know what? He was cheating on her with me, and I was not trying to get in that middle of that thing because, like, it was nasty. Like, he was sending DD pics and news and everything, and then he wanted to cover it up like as if it was nothing. Other people have the same tea like I do. So for him trying to back it up was just inevitable, and he was like literally trying to get into my hands, and I was like, not today, sucker. So that was that. But anyways, let's go back to the Apple thing. So there's this nice lady that comes up, and she asks us like, what iPhone would you like? No, she asks, how may I help you? And then I told her about the iPhone that I want and switch and upgrade and everything. She was like, okay. So I told her the phone model and color, and she was like, all right, mate, just wait here and we'll do that. So we look around the store, and then mom says like, what iPhone were you trying to get? So I pointed to her the exact color iPhone with the exact model, and she then asked like how much it cost, and I was like $699. She was like $699. I know you fucking lying. And I didn't tell her it was $699 with trade-in, so we'll call that a fucking day. So we go, and the man comes up now, and like he was asking about the iPhone, what are you trying to do? And I said I want to trade in my SE with the 8 Plus product red, which was allowed and everything, which saved me over $130, and that was great. And so he then like brings the iPhone out from the Genius Bar, the Black Stage Genius Bar, and like brings down this sexy ass motherfucking phone. And then he was asking about insurance, which I can't really do insurance at the moment because that shit was $149, and I could afford that shit, but I didn't want to afford it. So I said, nah, not now. And then he asked about the iCloud backup and everything was clear. Like my iPhone was already done, clear. Like you can get rid of the SE. I just want the 8 Plus. And then here comes the payment. It was $730, which I could afford, so I literally slide my card in. And then he was like, oh, there must be a limit on your card. And I was like, oh. Mom was like, JT, why do you not know there was a limit on the card? I was like, first of all, I'm a responsible teenager. They should know that I have direct deposit, and they should know they should increase my limit as more direct deposit comes in because I'm spending a motherfucker anyways. And then I was like, fuck you, Wells, because you shouldn't have to have the limit on the teenager, because the teenager wants to spend something, you will spend it with responsibility. And then here comes Mom clutch using her card and then literally taking the funds out of my account. Like, I'd rather you just take the funds out of your account and call it a day so I literally can have a phone. And it was wild. And like, after the transaction completed, he touched my iPhone. And I was like, oh! First rule of my pet peeve, don't touch my new baby. The baby is supposed to be touched with care, and that's for my hands only, nobody else's. So, oh! And it was just a whole wild, messy situation that could have been prevented if fucking Wells Fargo could have just not had no fucking limits on teenagers and just increased it, because I'm about to sue such a bitch. P.S. I saw the couple again and he looks me up and down, so there it is. There you go. Like, oh, messy people these days. Go back to another YouTube video. Anywho, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Go hit the like button, the subscribe button, comment below, and do everything you want to do with the iPhone. So, love you guys. Woo!